Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Color Street's Mermaid nail polish strips to make a fun geometric pattern. Look, the options are endless! We're going to start by grabbing two like-sized strips. Don't forget to peel the clear plastic off your base strip and the top layering strip. Now peel off the back of the strip and apply sideways, so your strip is on the backing and you're holding the backing. This technique will give you extra control so you can decide what geometric pattern you want without sticking it down first. Depending on how offset you layered your strips, you may have to take little scissors just to trim off the bottom of the strip. That way your entire manicure has the exact same design. Now it's time to apply over your favorite solid manicure.